Hey everyone, welcome to Nitty Cat Studio. I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to check out a sewing machine. This is a Goodwill find, and I purchased it for $25. I have no idea if it's going to work. Don't know if I wasted my money or not, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. And as you're going through it, I'll be going through it for the first time. So thought that would be fun to do. And actually, I've already done that in a couple other videos, so if you get a chance, check those out. So yeah, I don't know. We're going to see what happens with this one. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to take a look. And this is it. It's a Husqvarna, Viking Husqvarna Classica 105. And so yeah, we're going to check it out. There's a pedal, very large pedal. That thing's big. And let's see. This off. This is some extension table, and that still has the label, the sticker on it right here. So let me move it over here. And something else is under here. Let me scooch this foot out of the way. Okay. There we go. It's got a few attachments, a few feet, some pins, and bobbins. So, okay. So that just slides underneath and attaches. I think I'll just put it back in there for now. All right. Well, it's already threaded. I'm curious to see why they got rid of this. Is there something wrong inside? I don't know. Oh, I can't open that. I guess I do have to remove that. So this is the bobbin down here. I guess it's okay. And then this is the feed dogs button, lever button, I guess button. So, okay. So that's all right. And then I have the on and off button here. Some knobs. All right, are you ready to see if this will sew? I am. Let's see, I have some scrap fabric here. And I'm going to see what's going on. See why they got rid of this thing. Well, hope I pull the needle up. Okay. Put that down. Let's see. D. I think D is straight. All right, we're just gonna go for it. I have the pedal here, and I'm gonna go ahead and push. See what it does. Ooh. Sounds pretty smooth. Reverse works. Okay. See if I can pull this off. And I don't see a thread cutter, guys. I don't know. Maybe they didn't have them back then. I have no idea. Anyway, I got scissors. We'll chop them. All right. That's not too bad. You see that? Don't mind the extra fluff there. I should have cut that off. You know, I should have used a darker fabric too. Well, I don't know. I think you can see that. All right, let's try another one. Let's try C. I think that's supposed to be that one. I don't know. I'm sort of winging it. I did print off one of these. I found this online. I think this is for the 120 model. I'm not positive because it said it was for, I don't know. There was like the 100, the 105, 120, and it's not super detailed. I mean, it kind of is, but I don't know. I gotta really look through it. But I did print that off, so I was hoping that would help. All right, see if I can get a little more light in here, guys. I don't know if that's working or not. There we go. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm not set up right now for doing videos. Okay, let's do this zigzag thing. Okay, I don't see it doing a zigzag. Maybe, do I have it? Maybe I need to increase the stitch length. Let me see. Let me try it now. No, I don't know what's wrong. Okay. It looks like it wants to wobble. So, let me see what else I can do. So that's for, I don't know. Let's see. Well, C's not doing much, guys. Let's try B. Let's see what B does. Not much. All right, if any of you have this machine, leave it in the comments below, because either that or I'm going to have to look it up on here. But for right now, I can't figure out why it's not doing that. This is what it did right here. Check this out. Right there. Not really that great. I don't know. Let's see. What? Let's take it to A. Okay. 2.5. I don't know, y'all. This might be why they got rid of it. We'll see. Maybe there's something wrong with one of the things inside. I don't know. Ooh, it's not doing it. That's weird. Okay. Maybe there's something wrong with the, I don't know if they have like discs or what. Let's see what this does. Nothing. Back on D. Straight. C. Aha! Look. I don't know. I heard something click in there. It is zigzagging now. Maybe it's touch and go with this thing. I don't know. I'm gonna go backwards. Okay. Now I don't know where I set my scissors. They were just here. I was kind of just ready to give up on that, guys. I don't know. Here they are. But now it is zigzagging. So maybe there's just something a little crazy going on with okay, I'm going to try B and see how that one works. Maybe there's something with those discs in there. That one's working. That's B. I'm so used to a thread cutter. I'm sure there is one on here. I don't know what I'm looking at yet. Okay, there's the one I just did in the middle, right here. So I think it is working. Yay, it's working. Well, thank you all for joining me today, and I think this will be the end of my sewing machine rescue for a while. I don't think I need any more machines, that's for sure. But you never know what I'm going to come across. So, yeah, but I think in some future videos, I would like to do a little bit of sewing, and let's do some artwork and maybe some knitting. So if you are interested in any of that, then definitely hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I have a new video out. And I just want to thank you all again for supporting Knitty Cat Studio and my channel here. And so I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.